The GNI Portable Welder 110V 250A offers a robust current output of up to 250 amperes, providing users with the flexibility to tailor the power to their specific welding tasks. Weighing just 2 9/10 pounds, this lightweight welder is designed for one-handed operation, making it ideal for quick repairs and overhead projects. This versatile machine is compatible with over 98% of welding rods on the market, making it perfect for a wide range of materials, including stainless steel and cast iron. Advanced IGBT inverter technology and precise current adjustment ensure efficient and stable welding performance, delivering smooth and deep welds with minimal interference to home power grids. Safety is a top priority with built-in protections against overvoltage, overcurrent, overheating, and overload, complemented by an intelligent heat dissipation system. The package includes essential accessories such as welding rods, gloves, and a toolbox, along with reliable after-sales service, making it a comprehensive solution for DIY enthusiasts.